Welcome back to Echo to Fluency Shadowcast.
The short English podcast where you listen, repeat, and speak more naturally.
I'm Bella.
And I'm Noah.
Today, we are talking about being open-minded.
That means not rejecting an idea simply because it sounds impossible.
Imagine that a friend tells you they saw a strange light moving across the night sky.
You do not have to say, yes, it was definitely a spaceship.
But you also do not need to laugh and say, that could never happen.
Exactly. You can simply say, that sounds unusual. Tell me more.
Being open-minded does not mean believing everything immediately.
It means leaving a small space for possibilities.
After all, humans still do not understand everything about life.
We do not fully understand consciousness, the universe, or why existence began.
That is true. My brain still cannot understand where all my missing socks go.
Perhaps they have discovered another universe.
It sounds funny, but many normal things once sounded completely impossible.
A person from the past might think video calls were some kind of magic.
They might ask, how did that tiny person get inside your phone?
And we would have a difficult time explaining the internet.
Today's impossible idea may become tomorrow's ordinary reality.
That is why we should be careful with the words never and impossible.
This also applies to our personal lives.
You may think you could never speak confidently in another language.
But with practice, something that feels impossible can slowly become natural.
An open mind allows you to try before deciding that you cannot succeed.
When something sounds impossible, it may be beyond what we currently understand.
Instead of deciding that it cannot be true, we can leave room for the possibility.
We can say, I do not know whether it is true, but I am open to finding out.
That response keeps curiosity alive and judgment out of the way.
A closed mind only accepts what it already knows.
An open mind asks, what else could be possible?
This curiosity helps us learn, improve, and discover better ways of living.
It can also break the invisible boundaries we create in our own minds.
When you stop saying, that can never happen, you become willing to explore.
You feel freer because every idea does not have to fit your current understanding.
You can remain thoughtful while still being open to the unexpected.
Listen carefully, explore calmly, and leave room for what you may not understand yet.
Now, let us practice some useful sentences about being open-minded.
Listen closely, speak out loud, and allow the words to flow naturally.
I try not to reject an idea too quickly.
Something can sound impossible and still be worth exploring.
I do not have to believe everything immediately.
I can listen without making a quick judgment.
There may be more to the story than I realize.
Humans still have many things left to discover.
What seems impossible today may become normal tomorrow.
I am willing to explore unfamiliar possibilities.
I do not judge an idea before exploring it.
An open mind helps me continue learning.
I avoid saying never before I understand the situation.
New possibilities appear when I question my limits.
I am open to ideas beyond my current understanding.
Curiosity gives me the freedom to explore life.
I can stay thoughtful without closing my mind.
Well done for completing today's shadowing practice.
Do not worry about memorizing every sentence.
Simply listen again and become familiar with the natural rhythm.
Speak out loud, even when your voice does not feel perfect.
Each repetition will make your English smoother and more confident.
Keep your mind open and allow yourself to keep developing.
Small moments of curiosity can lead to wonderful discoveries.
See you in the next lesson.